Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Notion AI to improve your writing. Click into the page body and type your draft text. For this example, I'm typing personalized campaigns this quarter. Your text appears in the editor as you type, ready to be refined with AI. Select the text you want to improve by dragging across it, and an AI menu appears above your selection. The menu shows several options including improve writing, fix spelling and grammar, make longer, make shorter, change tone, and simplify language. From the menu, click Improve Writing to send your text to Notion AI for revision. Notion processes your request and checks your available AI responses. A message appears at the top of the screen saying, "You've run out of free Notion AI. Upgrade." This means you've used all your included AI responses for this billing period, and you'll need to upgrade your plan to continue using AI features. The message disappears, and your original text remains selected on the page. No changes have been applied to your text, so you can either upgrade to continue or work with your draft as is. If you hit the AI limit, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan to access Notion AI features. The free tier gives you a set number of AI responses before it stops working. You can still edit and format your text manually without AI. Just work with your selected text as you normally would. If you're on a team workspace, check with your admin about plan access, as workspace owners control AI availability for all members. To avoid hitting limits mid-project, consider batching your AI requests or upgrading before starting large writing tasks. And that's how to use Notion AI to improve writing. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.